Magandang hapon po ng February 26, 2024 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng February 26, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, February 26, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for February 26, 2024, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 83 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 70 million pesos for February 26, 2024, Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for February 26, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.